Step 1. Access the gift card editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace and navigate to Listings on the left sidebar menu. Next, click on My Template and select the gift card template by clicking Create Listing. You will be redirected to the gift card editor. Step 2. Enter basic gift card information. Give your gift card a name and add a description that says something like, gift your friends a memorable skating experience with our gift card, redeemable for any session. Step 3. Set gift card pricing. Let's set the pricing. Scroll down and click on Add Question. Select drop-down list, Pricing Question, and add a title. Toggle on Is Required and add the denomination for your gift card values. When you are done, click Save. Step 4. Upload images. Upload some exciting Rink images by going to the Image tab and selecting Upload Image. You can choose action shots or you can choose a picture of your gift card. Step 5. Set gift card expiration. To add an expiration, go to your account settings, your business, and select credit. Enter the expiration period if needed in your location. And there we go. You're all set. Your gift card listing for your skating rink is ready.